Looks like she is back. I did a little bit of a mod on it. I found out what it was. It was bad solder, probably in transport. Those heat sinks that are in the inside were big and heavy, and there's not much actually mounting them to the board, and they're probably vibrating and flopping around when I came in from China. It's just finishing up the charge now. What I ended up doing is I ended up putting a 12 volt 200 mA transformer glued to the top. I drilled 2 holes for the case and soldered the leads to the main lead coming in. So that's power for the fan. That's a Delta fan. That should last quite a while. And I drilled holes where the heat sinks are. So this side and this side. I was going to do 6 of them, but I figured 3 are good enough. You put tissue paper up to the holes and it sucks it in. So that's enough airflow. Which, yeah, there's more air coming out. And the case is cold. So that should last quite a while. But I figured I'd share that. It took that much just to get it to run reliably. Their excuse for not putting a fan or anything in is they want to have it sealed and from the weather and everything else, which I get. Because when these things die, usually it's because someone's done something stupid, like left it outside when it started to rain or whatever. And but in this case, I need one that's a little bit more reliable, not going to overheat. This one's doing pretty good. And like I said, the fan power supply is separate from the rest of it. So if anything goes wrong with the power supply, this will keep running. So I figured I'd bring that up. Because it's got to be close to the end of charge here, because it only goes to, I think, at 54 volts, and it was at 52. So, but it's not cocking out, so it's good to go. Oh, and my cheap power wall is up to 11.8. Yeehaw! I think they said the solar panel is a little too small. I need something a little bit quicker than that. It's been a couple of days, and it still hasn't reached 12 volts yet, but it is climbing slowly. I figured I'd give you an update on that charger. This is pretty much what I do when I find a charger that doesn't work to my spec. Later, guys.